And happening now, some health experts are renewing their warning about a tridemic this winter as cases of RSV, COVID, and the flu, they start to overwhelm hospitals.
Yeah, there's also concern as families, of course, gather for Thanksgiving. DC News Now's Daniel Hamburg joining us live tonight in our newsroom.
And Daniel, there are precautions people are taking as they start to get together for the long holiday weekend.
Absolutely. First and foremost, if you feel sick, don't go to that Thanksgiving dinner around a lot of other people. And the most important thing to keep in mind, proper hygiene etiquette is key.
It's kind of been a triple threat, really.
Doctors in the DMV are dealing with an uptick in RSV, COVID, and flu cases.
We have not seen flu really for the last year or two, and now all of a sudden, I mean, this is one of the worst seasons that I can recall in the last few years.
As for cases of respiratory syncytial virus, or RSV, the state of Maryland has a new dashboard showing hospitalizations actually going down.
But there's still a lot of around. There are still people hospitalized throughout Maryland with RSV infections, so it's still a concern.
I think it's probably still too early to say that we've hit our peak yet. The months will get colder, people will spend more time indoors, and these things definitely will have more of a chance to continue to spread.
For those getting together in tight spaces for Thanksgiving, there are things you can do to prevent the spread of respiratory viruses.
Frequent hand washing, also what we call respiratory etiquette, so coughing into your sleeve or into a tissue that can then be discarded, and then also cleaning high-touch surfaces frequently.
Getting some ventilation is important too. Cracking a window or putting a fan on can help.
I think the simplest thing to do is getting like a high-quality air filter or air purifier. We have them in certain rooms in the hospital. I have them in my home.
If you do feel sick, get tested.
If you're coughing, sneezing, not feeling well, certainly having fevers, not the time to be out socializing, mingling in closed indoor spaces with other people.
Now, doctors recommend that you go and get your flu shot and COVID updated booster. You can get those both at the same time. Of course, it won't be effective this weekend, but it will be important because we are expecting these cases of respiratory viruses to increase as more people gather indoors in the cold. Live in the newsroom, Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.